So let me show you how to do Binance Web3 wallet to Bitgate USDT transfer. First of all, after you open up the Binance Web3 wallet like this now, go to assets. After you come to assets, now scroll to down and select the USDT at the bottom. Now here is the USDT. After you select the USDT like this, now tap on this send button. So here it will ask you to type in the address that you copy from your Bitgate. So make sure to copy the address of the USDT from your Bitgate wallet or from your Bitgate account. So just tap on this option now after you copy the address. After you tap on this option, tap on this paste button. So now I paste in the address. Just tap on this done button and then tap on this continue button. So here it will ask you to specify the amount you want to send. If you want to send all the USDT that you have in your Binance Web3 wallet, tap on this max button, but you can use these numbers to specify the amount. After you type in the amount you want to send, just tap on this continue button. From there, the USDT will be transferred into your Bitgate account, and that's it, guys.